Today I'm going to show you how to add languages and additional sections to your LinkedIn profile. So the first thing you want to do if you want to add a language is click on this icon over here, this pencil icon on the top right hand side here. You can click on add language. You can choose your language. Let's say we want to type in Greek. You are going to start your Greek profile with your name and your headline. This is a completely new profile. It is a sub profile of your main profile, but you're just going to add in your first name, last name, your headline, and then you're going to click on create profile. You can also make this your primary language if you want to make it your primary language, but once you're done, you're going to click on create profile, and this will create like a separate profile in that specific language. Now if you want to add an additional section over here, just over here underneath this main section, click on add profile section. Here we have these three sections, so core, recommended, and additional. So for core, you can add in these different sections. So all you need to do is click on them. The recommended, make sure that you're adding in any one of these by clicking on any one of these sections. And then additional, you can just click on any one of these. So for example, whatever you click on, you're going to add in a title. You're going to add in some additional details and some dates. And then when you are done, you're going to click on save.